Hi, my name's Billy. I'm the head jeweler at Estate Jewelers, and today I'm going to take you through the steps of polishing and rhodium plating. So before we can do the rhodium plating, first we have to polish the piece to get rid of any of the dirt, burrs, and scratches that may be left on your piece. And now that the pieces have been polished, the next step is to put it in the ultrasonic to remove any buffing compound that was left on the piece. Now that the ultrasonics removed all the excess buffing compound, we'll go ahead and pull them out. Give them a quick rinse underneath tap water. Then dip them in an alcohol solution. After dipping the pieces in a cup of alcohol, we'll pull them out, put them on the rhodium hook, dip them in a cup of distilled water, and then put them in the rhodium bath for about 20 seconds. After 20 seconds in the rhodium bath, we pull them out, dip them in distilled water again, then take and rinse them underneath the sink water, and then steam them until they're finally done. After steaming the pieces off, the rhodium process is complete. Be sure to get your white gold rhodiumed every 6 months to a year to keep it nice and bright white. Thank you for watching.